everyone, you're welcome to Grammar Funny Fast. Today we are going to learn the sounds of letters and we're going to do it together. I say the sound, you also repeat after me. Are you ready? Alright, sit, let's start. This is letter A. This is letter A. And this is the capital letter A, and this is the small letter N. Letter A makes the sound A, A, A. Letter B makes the sound B, B. Watch my mouth, B, B. Letter C makes the sound K, 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 K. Letter D makes the sound D, 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 D. Letter E makes the sound E, 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 E. Letter F makes the sound Letter G makes the sound G, 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 G. Letter H makes the sound H, 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 H. Letter I makes the sound I, I, I. Letter J makes the sound J, J, J. Letter K makes the sound K, K, K. Remember that C also makes K, but that C is curling K, and this is what? Kicking K. So know the difference. So letter K makes the sound K, K. Letter L makes sound L, 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 L. Letter M makes the sound Letter N makes the sound Letter O makes the sound A, 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 A. Letter P makes the sound P, 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 P. And letter Q. Now this is letter Q, the capital letter Q and the small letter q. But letter Q has a friend. This is letter Q. Letter Q has a friend, which is this, the A. So two of them go out together and two of them made the sound Q, 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 Q. Letter R makes the sound R, 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 R. Letter S makes the sound S, 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 S. And letter T makes the sound T, 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 T. And letter U makes the sound A, 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 A. Letter V makes the sound V, Letter W makes the sound woo, 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 woo. Letter X makes the sound x, 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 x. And letter Y makes the sound e, 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 e. Letter Z or Z makes the sound z, 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 z. Now let's read together. A, B, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, a, r, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z. Make sure you practice the sound. Say it again and again. Okay? Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.